The desert stretched, vast and endless. Dr. Eleanor Vance, a renowned astrophysicist, scanned the horizon. Her team, a mix of seasoned scientists and wide-eyed interns, buzzed around her. They were searching for something extraordinary, something that could change humanity's understanding of the cosmos. One night, under a canopy of 1,000,000 stars, it happened. A blinding light pierced the sky. A spacecraft, sleek and silver, descended from the heavens. Eleanor, her heart pounding, approached with cautious curiosity. Inside, she found him. He was Kalen, an explorer from a distant galaxy. He spoke of his world, a place of advanced technology and ancient wisdom. Eleanor, captivated by his words and his presence, felt an undeniable connection. Their differences, once vast and insurmountable, seemed to melt away. Days turned into weeks. Eleanor and Kalen spent countless hours together. They shared stories of their cultures, their hopes, their dreams. He marveled at the vibrant tapestry of Earth's history, its art, its music. She was mesmerized by his knowledge of the universe, his tales of interstellar travel and celestial wonders. Their bond, forged in mutual respect and admiration, blossomed into love, a love that transcended the boundaries of language, of species, of worlds. It was a love that felt destined, written in the very fabric of the cosmos. They explored hidden caves adorned with ancient petroglyphs, swam in crystal-clear lakes reflecting the starlit sky, and shared quiet moments under the vast expanse of the cosmos. With every shared laugh, every whispered secret, their love deepened, anchoring them to each other amidst the unknown. One cool evening, as the desert wind whispered secrets through the dunes, Eleanor shared her joyous news. She was pregnant. Their child, a testament to their extraordinary love, would be a beacon of unity, a symbol of the boundless possibilities that lay beyond the stars. Kalen, his eyes shimmering with tears of joy, embraced Eleanor. He vowed to protect their child, to nurture the precious life growing within her. Together they dreamt of a future where their child would be accepted, celebrated for the unique being they were destined to be. But their joy was tinged with a sliver of fear. How would the world react? Would their child be welcomed with open arms or met with suspicion and prejudice? The path ahead was uncertain, fraught with challenges, yet their love for each other and their unborn child fueled their determination. News of Eleanor's pregnancy spread like wildfire. The world watched, their reactions a mixture of awe, disbelief, and fear. Some celebrated the news, hailing it as a giant leap for mankind. Others, shrouded in ignorance and fear, condemned it. Whispers followed Eleanor and Kalen. Shadows of doubt and suspicion were cast upon their love. Governments intervened, demanding answers, seeking to control the narrative. The weight of the world, it seemed, rested upon their shoulders. The scientific community, initially abuzz with excitement, became divided. Some saw it as an unprecedented opportunity for research, a chance to unlock the secrets of alien physiology and genetics. Others, however, raised ethical concerns, questioning the morality of experimenting on a being so unique, so vulnerable. Section 5, A Bridge Between Worlds. Eleanor and Kalen found solace in each other's arms. They knew their love was real, their child a blessing. They refused to let the fear and prejudice of others dim their joy, their hope. They would fight for their child's right to exist, to thrive, to bridge the chasm between their worlds. They reached out to those who would listen, sharing their story with compassion and understanding. Slowly, tentatively, minds began to open. Hearts began to soften. People from all walks of life, inspired by their unwavering love and resilience, rallied behind them. Artists, musicians, and writers found their voices, using their platforms to spread a message of unity and acceptance. They painted murals celebrating diversity, composed symphonies echoing the harmony of the cosmos, and wrote stories that challenged preconceived notions and ignited imaginations. Section 6. Trials and Tribulations. Their journey was not without its trials. They faced bureaucratic hurdles, legal battles, and the constant scrutiny of the media. Every step they took was watched, analyzed, and often criticized. There were moments of doubt, of despair, when they questioned their choices and the path they had taken. The weight of their situation felt insurmountable at times, pressing down on their spirits. But through it all, their love for each other and their unborn child remained their guiding star. It was this love that gave them strength. Callan, drawing upon the wisdom of his people, taught Eleanor techniques for emotional resilience and mental fortitude. He shared stories of his ancestors' struggles and triumphs. He shared ancient meditation practices that connected them to the universal energy, grounding them amidst the storm. These practices became their sanctuary. Grounding them amidst the storm, they found solace in nature's cycles, knowing that after every storm there is a rainbow. Eleanor, in turn, found strength in her scientific knowledge, her unwavering belief in the power of reason and empathy. She used her skills to find solutions. Her unwavering belief in the power of reason and empathy guided her actions, helping her to connect with others and find common ground. They found allies in unexpected places, people who saw their struggle and wanted to help, government officials who believed in their love and were willing to bend the rules to support them, scientists who saw the potential for groundbreaking discoveries and offered their expertise and resources, and ordinary people who opened their hearts and homes to them, providing shelter and support. Each act of kindness, no matter how small, fueled their hope, reminding them of the goodness in humanity, reminding them that they were not alone and that together they could overcome any obstacle. Section 7. A Mother's Strength. As Eleanor's pregnancy progressed, so too did the world's fascination with their story. Every ultrasound image, every developmental milestone was met with a mixture of wonder and trepidation. The world held its breath, waiting to see what this extraordinary union would bring. Eleanor, despite the constant pressure and scrutiny, remained a pillar of strength. She embraced her changing body, marveling at the miracle of life growing within her. She drew strength from the love of her partner, the support of her friends and family, and the growing chorus of voices championing their cause. She continued her research, determined to use her knowledge and expertise to create a better future for her child. She collaborated with leading geneticists, doctors, and anthropologists, studying the physiological and psychological implications of interspecies conception and development. Section 8. A Father's Resolve. Callan, ever the protector, stood by Eleanor's side, his love for her and their child unwavering. He vowed to shield them from any harm, no matter the cost. He immersed himself in human customs, traditions, and beliefs, eager to bridge the cultural divide and create a loving and nurturing environment for their family. He attended festivals, community events, and even learned to cook traditional dishes. He shared his knowledge of alien technology, working with engineers and scientists to develop devices that would ensure the well-being of both mother and child. His innovations promised a future where both worlds could benefit. He designed a special crib that simulated the gravitational pull of his home planet, ensuring their child would feel at ease. He also created a communication device that would allow their child to understand and speak both human and alien languages, fostering a sense of belonging in both worlds. He faced prejudice and discrimination with grace and dignity, always choosing compassion over anger, understanding over fear. His calm demeanor often diffused tense situations. He knew that their child would inherit a world grappling with its own divisions, a world where unity was a distant dream. He was determined to raise them to be a beacon of unity, a testament to the power of love to transcend even the most deeply entrenched differences. His resolve was unbreakable, his love boundless. Section 9. A Hopeful Future. And then, on a night bathed in the soft glow of moonlight, their child was born. The air was filled with a sense of magic and wonder, as if the universe itself was celebrating this miraculous event. A beautiful, healthy baby, a perfect blend of human and alien, a testament to the boundless possibilities of love. This child was a living proof that love knows no boundaries, no limits. The world watched in awe as Eleanor and Callan cradled their child, their faces etched with a love so profound, so pure, that it transcended language, culture, and even species. It was a moment that united people across the globe. Their child, named Astra, became a symbol of hope, a living embodiment of the interconnectedness of all beings. Astra's very existence was a beacon of unity and harmony. Astra's birth sparked a global conversation about acceptance, tolerance, and the true meaning of family. People began to see beyond their differences and embrace a shared vision of a harmonious future. In the years that followed, Eleanor and Kaylin dedicated their lives to creating a better future for their child and all children. They worked tirelessly to build a world where everyone could thrive. They established foundations that promoted intercultural understanding, bringing people from different backgrounds together to learn from one another and celebrate their unique cultures. Funded research into interspecies communication, breaking down barriers and fostering a deeper understanding between humans and aliens, and advocated for policies that protected the rights of all beings, regardless of their origins. They fought for equality and justice for everyone. Astra grew up surrounded by love, acceptance, and a deep respect for both their human and alien heritage. They learned the values of compassion and empathy from a young age. They became a bridge between worlds, a shining example of the extraordinary things that can happen when we embrace our differences and celebrate our shared humanity. Astra's journey inspired countless others to follow in their footsteps. For in the vastness of the cosmos, it is love, compassion, and understanding that truly bind us together. These are the forces that create a hopeful future for all.